Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I'm embarrassed to say that we have let my husband's work wardrobe just kind of go to the wayside. It was definitely time for an update, and we are so pleased with this beautiful long sleeve polo. I personally love the deep black color, and this shirt comes in many different colors, and I think I'm going to buy one in every color for him because of the way it fits and feels. We are both impressed with the quality of this shirt. The stitching is nice and strong. We like the fabric, that it's soft and it's not itchy, because that would drive him absolutely crazy at work all day. It's also pretty lightweight, so it's perfect for his chilly office. We also love how versatile this can be. He could wear it with a pair of jeans and wear it to work, or he could even dress it up with a pair of khakis or some dress pants for date night. So if you're looking to step up the wardrobe in your man's life, you cannot go wrong with this beautiful long sleeve polo shirt. And that's my point of view.